morning we find the opportunity to make some little video today to show you that our garden and some harvesting of zucchini, cucumber, and some other things.
Hi guys! Ngayon mag-harvest tayo ng mga gulay dito sa small garden namin. At kukuha tayo ng mga iba-ibang gulay dito kagaya ng zucchini. Sa atin, parang upo, ganun. Ito
The
yung mga
small,
zucchini.
not the small, the big one.
Yes. Ito ang malaki.
Just
Tingnan nyo
broke.
guys.
Just broke. Yeah.
Yan, tingnan nyo, laki-laki. Oh. Tapos, saan pa? Where?
I will cut some cucumber here.
Wow. Okay, asawa ko. Cut cucumber. Oh my
Look at
God. So big. Oh my God, asawa ko. Nice. Wow, tingnan nyo naman, oh. Small
And,
garden lang namin to, tingnan nyo. Natural yan. Tapos dito, they're still here, oh. Here, oh.
And that,
This also. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay.
and there.
Where? Okay.
Yeah. Here.
Ala, here, oh. Oh, here. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Not this.
Where? Here. It's big. Here. It's big. Oh, yes. Guys, wala. Ang laki. Oh, my God. First time in my life to harvest.
And this, but this is.
Wow. Okay, guys. Punta naman tayo dito sa loob ng Thermokipyo.
Look here.
Tingnan yung mga strawberry namin. Dahil sa June na ngayon, start na silang mamunga ng isa-isa. Akala ko hindi na sila mamumunga. Yan, tingnan nyo. Oh, dito pa. Oh, yan. Kinukuha ng asawa ko. Kasi hindi ako marunong baka raw masira. Yan.
Another small one here.
There also. Yeah. Also the other one.
Only few, but it's natural.
Yeah. Yes, you are right. Only few but natural. As I told you guys, our vegetables was natural. Oh, yung mga kamatis namin, tomato namin.
Cut these tomatoes, which is a little pink.
Yeah.
That in one day will get red. Cut it.
Cut it?
Yeah,
Okay,
pick
this.
pick, yeah.
Okay.
And the other one.
And the other one. Yan. Tingnan nyo, ang dami mga bunga pero hindi lahat ay! Oh my God. Wait. Sorry. Okay. The other one. Okay.
This one not yet.
Not yet. It's
There.
right.
It's little pink only.
Okay. O, ngayon punta naman tayo sa
We have some peppers. Bell pepper.
bell pepper.
I cut it yesterday also.
Yun. There is. Oh. Ang galing. Oh, guys. Oh my God. Napakasaya ko, mga kabayan. Kasi yung asawa ko talagang inalagaan mo mabuti yung mga gulay namin. Kaya napakasaya.
The eggplant is not yet grow.
Not yet? That.
It's only small.
Oh.
We need to grow more.
O, tingnan nyo, ang dami na nakakuha na kami. Nakakuha na kami mga talong.
No, 2-3 days
Okay.
will.
Tingnan nyo naman ang aming okra. Yan, lumalaki na sila. Kasi guys, June na kasi yung painit na. Talagang mainit na talaga. Kaya nagsipaglakihan na sila ng ganito. Kaya saya-saya namin. Lalo na ako. Kasi first time kong naalala ko nung maliit ako, yung nanay ko.
Celery.
Nanay ko.
Celery.
Yeah, celery. Ang ganda na celery namin. Fresh na fresh sila ngayon, oh. Dahil sa mainit na panahon. Pero araw-araw. Okay guys. See you later. Bye. Yay! Look, thank you very much for watching.